Hi, this is John from FlatCatGear. So I'm about ready to make my dinner. It's kind of a sweet and sour rice, and so I've got a half cup of rice that's been washed, basmati rice. This is 2 ounces of dried pineapple, got 2 ounces of bacon, and I kind of got this spice mix of what this is 1 tablespoon of dried onions, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. I've got these 2 kind of Thai red chilies, and I've got 4 jalapeno spices. And with that, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. And I'm going to cook this on my Epicurean Titanium Easy Bake on simmer mode the whole way. And then what I'm going to do after the rice is cooked, this is powdered coconut milk. This will make a cup. I'm going to make half a cup. And once the rice is done, I'm going to mix it up and pour it in the ingredients and let it set. So let's get the stove started. Everything I've cooked is in the Smokey 700. There's my Easy Bake. There we go. So with the Easy Bake, got a slow simmer going on. That's exactly what we want to cook rice. It's starting to steam. Probably about 15 more minutes. One of the keys to making good rice is being able to let it set. So this rice is pretty much done. I'm going to add the coconut milk, the powdered coconut milk. And blow out the fuel. I'm going to mix this in. And the key is letting that set for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll be back. So we're done. And like I've said, I keep telling you guys this, the key to making rice is letting it set. So I got the coconut milk all mixed in. It's been steaming for a while. Jalapenos are all cooked. By the way, I'm probably not going to eat the red peppers. But there's my dinner. I'll get a close-up of it. Come visit us at www.flatcatgear.com.